Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Fischer Porter series are configurable signal processors used in the measurement of water flow. These signal converters are the electronic control that measure the rate of flow using a magnetic type flow sensor, which converts the signal to information such as gallons per minute. This flow meter processor came into ERD with a non-working 420 MA output, which is commonly used by SCADA systems using these flow meters. As you can see in the video, a simulated flow meter magnetic signal is applied to the signal converter, and then the proportional 420 MA output is monitored for proper operation and scaling. ERD has a long track record of repair in the water industry on both the clean and waste side. And as with all our products, our complete rebuilds come with our 3-year warranty. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.